How to use proxies with BitBrowser. To get started, head to the dashboard and pick the plan you want. Once you've chosen your plan, adjust your country, state, city settings and hit Update Changes. Next, open the BitBrowser app and go to Browser Profiles. Click on Add, give the profile a name, then scroll down and change the proxy type to HTTP. Return to the generator and select between rotating and sticky proxies. For sticky proxies, you can set each session from 1 to 120 minutes. Copy the proxy and return to the app. In the host field, type the HTTP prefix and paste the copied proxy. Click anywhere blank and it'll fill in automatically. Hit confirm and then open. And yeah, enjoy browsing with Lightning proxies for a fast and seamless experience.